What's up, Doc? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a patient that I had in the office the other day, and I'm just going to go through kind of the steps that I'm doing when I'm taking photos. This patient came in after a small virtual consult. So basically what we do is we just do some preliminary shots, and these are going to be used for the before and afters on Instagram and Facebook. What I'm doing here is just getting a smile. I make sure that I'm on the same plane always. So that's probably the hardest thing in dental photography, is getting on the same plane so that you have consistent results. You notice that I have constant lighting and not flash photography because, well, the main reason is because it's easier to work with. It's not as heavy. I don't have to switch out the batteries and turn everything on. It's just easy to do that way. Easier to do it that way. Alright, so here's the intraorals with the retraction. I just tell them to fish hook themselves. That word, again, it does wonders. You'll be surprised how well it works. So I would try that if I were you. Oh, and if you don't already have a photo release form for your patients to sign, I would go ahead and get one of those. If you don't already have one, there'll be a link in the description so you can go ahead and grab one. Now, the last shot I'm doing, I think this is, I'm getting the contraster ready. Yeah, so I'm telling him how I want him to hold the contrasters. So basically it's like 45 degrees and I start out kind of upward position, but I'm starting to realize that now I'm having just to hold them horizontally and then have them push them vertically so that it gets all the tissue off the gums, and I get a really good shot, as you can see here. Now I tell them all the time, hey, I'm just resting this on your bottom jaw, do not bite down, and that's all I have to say. And I usually take about maybe 1 to 3 shots of that particular shot, because that's a really good shot to contrast befores and afters for veneers. So, and the last shot in my sequence is the portrait shot at 75 millimeters. What I'm going to have him do is sit up straight in the chair, shoulders back, make sure the shoulders are even. Now what I'm going for when I'm framing this photo is that I get all his arms basically from his elbows and up, and I just make sure everything's straight, because when I go to do the befores and afters, it'll look better. Now you have to make sure that all these photos have the consistent settings every single time. So that's it for today, and in the next video we're going to go over some editing. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.